Hello my dear friends, Alex here from Alex Edits, and in today's episode we are just going to take a look at these 3 editing features which are just too good for a smartphone editing. The very first moment you open Filmora, you see these features being shown on top over here, and when you swipe them to the right side you see the 8th one, which is 8 out of 8 right here, and then you select it, and right here this is a little tutorial that it gives. Okay, so we move on to try now. So now I have to import the file with the subject that I would like to track, and of course right here I'm going to import this bikeman here so that I can at least do some of the features through this example of this guy here. Alright, and right now just after importing you see this tracking feature right here, and right here I think I can adjust the sizes, and I think also the side on which the subject that I'm going to be tracking will be. Alright, I want it to be in front of this bikeman right here. Alright, so after I'm done that, I'm going to go start the tracking. Alright, so right here as you can see right now the tracking process has been done and been done successfully. As you can see, this is the element that I have been tracking right here, and of course I think as you can see right here you can actually adjust the sizes of this thing right here from the previous screen. Okay, but there's another thing also that you can do right here if you want to replace this icon right here, because this is actually a default element right here that comes the very first time that you try this tracking feature. Okay, so you may want to replace this element right here, so you can just go on this option right here, which is the replacing option, and right here I think I can look for something like the travel thing, because this guy is just riding his bike, making his travel. I don't know where he's going, and that is nothing to do with me. Alright, so I think right here I can pick up maybe just for this example right here, my dear friend, I can pick up this heart thing here and just put it over there, just to show you that how you can replace the default element that comes for the first time there. Okay, alright, so right here another very important thing right here, my dear friend, on this feature is you can actually add another subject or another element to be tracked again on a subject here. So in this case right here I'm just gonna look right here and maybe search for a emoji. Okay, and right here just gonna try to put it straight on the head of this guy. I'm putting it straight on the head of this guy right here. Okay, and just this is fine for me. Alright, so right here in the timeline you can actually extend the stickers that you have added for the tracking right here, like as you can see right here, this one, and then after that I can extend also the other one. Alright, and now all together these are the tracked elements here. Alright my dear friends, so here is the number 2 overwhelming yet very simple feature in the smartphone editing of Filmora. This is the progress bar. Okay, let's check it out. When you move back right here you can actually scroll to the right side in this way here, and right here actually you can see this feature here which is called the progress. Okay, so right here as you can see it automatically divides your screen into 2, because it's defaultly set to make 2 progresses at a time. So right now as you can see right here I can actually write something right here in this first description box, and also in the second. So right here in the first description box I'm going to write something like how to write fast level 1. Okay, and I think I'm gonna write the same thing again on the second description here, like how to write very fast level 2. Okay, so as you can see right here the very way that I put on the description right here are going to show up on the preview screen in this way. Okay, as you can see right here, so if you play the preview right here you see it is filling the bars along. This is actually something that the big YouTubers do, and actually they're using very big softwares to do this when they are putting maybe an advert in between their videos. Alright my dear friends, you got it there. Let's move on to the third one. Okay, now I'm going to add an audio right here. I'm going to show you this feature here. Alright, so I just go through the process real quick, pretending that this audio right here, which is the background audio of our video here, is shorter than the actual video. As you can see this little gap that is showing up right here. What can you actually do in order to cover this gap? So this is where this feature comes into play, which is called the audio stretch. Okay, so when you move on these features right here you find it right here, the audio stretch. So you can select it here and then smoothly extend your audio right here to the duration that pleases you. Okay, So, and of course, after I've done that, I just have to fade the audio so that you can hear the fade ins and the fade out. Alright, my dear friends, so right now let me just give you this bonus feature right here, which is the AI style. Okay, it's just called the style. Alright, so let me just show you how you can use it. Alright, so right here I have this video clip right here, but this feature actually works on the images or the pics. Alright, so I'm just gonna select a certain frame right here and then look for a freeze feature down here. Alright, so here it is. When I select it, I'm just going to get a freezed frame for a few seconds. Alright, so this is the portion that I have now to demonstrate this AI style. So it's not far as well. Here right here you find it, the style. Okay, so when you select it here, you get to see a lot of styles that you can actually turn your image into. Alright, for this example, let me just try this cute cat here. Oh, so this is actually the result of a cute cat example here. Alright, so this is actually the cute cat model that we have used. By the way, you can actually do other tricks right here, like age conversion, that just making this guy right here to be a little older than what he is right now. Alright, my dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video to this very point. I appreciate that so much. If you like the content, do subscribe so that next time you'll be notified whenever I upload even better tutorials than this one. And if you want to see more better episodes, check out this video right here on the screen, and peace.